A warm good evening, everybody. Myself, Devi, a writer, an avid reader, and public speaker. This is my review for Indranil Mukherjee's books, Station Master and Rekill. First, let us come to Station Master. I really loved the 10 stories that Indranil Mukherjee brought in the book. The best part was each and every story had a soul of itself. The stories were so captivating and so touching at the same time. And what is one of the strongest point in Indranil Mukherjee's writing is that he comes out with visual language and vocabulary. There were so many new words I learned and that were apt to the situation. Very good use of visual vocabulary, very good use of stories with souls. And the narrative was so engrossing that you wanted to know more and more as you read through the book. And the same goes with Rekill. Rekill, it's just one story, but the story is innovative and thought out of box. Rarely do we see novels that speaks from a villain's perspective or an antagonist's perspective. Rekill does exactly the same, speaking from a murderer's perspective, especially when a murderer's pride is being hurt. That's a very innovative concept, and again, he skillfully brought out few characters, and in the setting of a train, the story unfolds and with a dramatic ending. I really loved reading these two books, and if you are an avid reader like me, you should not miss Indranil Mukherjee's books, and they are worth all your time. Do pick them up on Amazon. You can read it on Kindle, or also you can order paperback books. And hopefully I'll be picking up Indranil Mukherjee's next book, that is Off the Pages. And I'll be back with that review as well. Thank you so much, everybody.